Scrúdú Cainte B1 Bonnleibhéal. TEG A2 Oral Examination. Only one applicant is examined at a time. The exam is carried out by 2 examiners. Each exam will last approximately 12 minutes. For candidates undertaking full accreditation at A2 level, the oral component accounts for 35% of the total marks of the exam. The other 65% relates to the listening, reading and writing sections. The oral examination at A2 level has 3 sections. Pictiúr and comhrá ginearálta, general conversation. Scrúdú on rólghníomhaíocht, role play. Tsraith and pictiúr, picture sequence. We will now look at each of these sections. 5 minutes before they enter the exam room, candidates are given a role play card. During this time, candidates are advised to review the information on the card and to pay particular attention to the vocabulary they will need when performing the role play. Candidates will be given the same card during the exam, so they are not required to memorize the information. Candidates cannot take notes or use any resources to support them while preparing for the role play. When the 5 minutes are up, the exam will begin. Pictiúr, Section 1, General Conversation. This is the first section of the exam. During this section, the candidate is asked questions about his or her daily life. For example, family, work and hobbies. This section lasts approximately 5 minutes.
An bhfuil post agat híle.
Tá post part-aimsere agam san óstán áitiúil.
Go deas, agus an daoine an post leat.
Tá sé gur go leor, tá na daoine eile go deasach bíonn arm éirí go leor.
At this level, candidates should be able to describe in simple terms their background, their work, their daily activities, their likes and dislikes. They should have sufficient vocabulary to be able to participate in simple, short conversation about familiar topics. Scrúdú. Section 2. Role play. As we've mentioned, candidates are given the card used in this section of the exam 5 minutes before the exam begins. Here is a sample role play. First, one of the examiners will ask you questions based on your card.
An rótú sire an blian seo caite.
Bhí mé san idál.
Go deas, agus cé bhí leat.
Má dhearfar agus burt charde.
Secondly, the candidate will ask the examiner questions based on the examiner's role play card. The candidate won't see the examiner's card, but the topic and scenario will be similar to the role play card used by the candidate earlier.
An raibh tosa sire le daoine.
Bhí, chuaigh mé go London.
Agus an tú an óstán?
Danamar an óstán.
Tsraith, Section 3, Picture Sequence. This section lasts approximately 3 minutes. During this part of the exam, candidates are given a sequence of 6 pictures. They have 1 minute to review the pictures. After 1 minute, one of the examiners will ask the candidate to begin telling the story that is depicted in the picture sequence. Here is the sample.
Inis chum faoi rólghníomha.
I pictiúr a hain, tá clína taobh amach go bhíolann. Bhíolann idálacha atá ann ceapan. Tá siag fannacht lena cara. An gibhre atá ann seans mar tá hata agus cóta mór chléana. I pictiúr a dó, taga na cara. Tá cléana agus a cara sásta. I pictiúr 3, tá cléana agus a cara sa bhíolann. Tá siad ina sí ag board agus tá bíoch lá.
The examiner may ask the candidate some further questions when he or she has finished. Don't forget that the TEG website, www.teg.ie, is the best place to find all information relating to the exams. There you will find syllabi, sample papers, guidelines, and much more.